This is how I came out of the womb, with a red lip. Okay. What's up? I'm Natasha. I love an iconic red lip. It's part of the Latina culture. I grew up watching my mom, my mamita, my sisters all wear a red lip and kind of have their own flair on it. So I'm gonna show you 3 techniques. The first one is a stain with your finger. Second, with a controlled movement with a brush. And the third, a lip liner and lipstick moment. Vámonos. First technique, easiest, fastest. You're just gonna grab your bullet, apply it, dab it on your lips, and just blur it out with your fingers. And I like this one for the girlies that are siempre en la calle, as my mamita always says, because I'm always on the go. Like, I don't even need a mirror, and I can talk. Because if I'm really getting ready like this, I'm talking. I'm probably FaceTiming you like, sorry, I'm running late. But it looks good. Boom. Second technique, like a true Latina, I need to be in control. So I'm gonna go in with this brush and lipstick, and we're just gonna define the lips. So you're just grabbing your little brochita, putting on some pigment, and lining your lips. And once you get the outline, you're just gonna add some pigment in the middle, so you have a nice even color. Wow, que guapa, hermosa, reina. I love it. Last technique is the ultimate poderosa combo. We're talking lip liner, lipstick. When you see me wearing this, I'm gonna be loud. You're gonna hear me. I'm in the room. You know who I am. First things first, power liner. I want my edges sharp like my winged eyeliner. And then I'm also gonna fill in my lip because I want this to be long wear. Now onto lipstick. It's giving Doña, I need to tell somebody what to do. There's no wrong way to wear a red lip. Personally, I love this intense moment. She shows up and I'm here for it. Let me know in the comments below how you would wear a red lip, and I'll see you next time. Ciao.